Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about SilverStone FARA 311 Micro-ATX case. So friends, SilverStone today introduced the FARA 311, a Micro-ATX tower case with room for some legacy device such as a 5.25-inch drive, and you will get a single compartment layout with PSU bay located at the top next to the 5.25-inch bay, a motherboard tray below, and front motherboard tray serves up room for graphics card up to 35.4 cm in length, a CPU coolers up to 15.6 cm in height. PSU needs to be more than 14 cm in length to not obstruct the firing of your 5.25-inch bay and front. The 5.25-inch bay is designed such that absence of 5.25-inch drive, you can mount 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch drive, another 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch drive below, mount 2.5-inch along the motherboard tray and another 2.5 or 3.5-inch drive along the bottom panel. And friend, the ventilation include two 120 mm front intakes and 120 mm rear exhaust. And friend, the case measured 410 mm into 360 mm into 130 mm. And friend, company didn't reveal the pricing yet. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.